Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Dane Corrigan. I'm part of the tax team here at Wayland Group. I was just reflecting on some gratitudes here on our early Friday before the Labor Day weekend. Hope you have a safe one and a fun time. My gratitude went in my mind's eye to the referral clients that we get. We're lucky to have been in business for a long time. And with that, and helping a lot of business owners, we get referral clients. We recently had a discovery meeting, which is our initial meeting with a referral client. Let's call him Dale. Dale is a graphics designer. And I wanted to bring this to your attention because it turns out in our discovery, we found out Dale had not filed taxes in the last 3 years. When we asked him the reasoning, he said, well, I figured if I didn't have the money, the IRS could just wait either way. You might have an initial reaction from that kind of logic, but I will tell you that's not atypical for business owners to think like that. Now, the important thing that Dale needs to understand is the concept between what the IRS will do if you fail to file your taxes versus if you fail to pay your taxes, right? Fail to file a tax return versus failing to file and pay your taxes altogether, right? I'm here to tell you the difference. So, what could happen is one of a few different scenarios, right? Now, if we'd flash backwards in time and Dale had filed his tax return and he didn't have the money, the IRS understands that this situation may come about. What they do is they offer you a lot of different options, whether installment plans or payment structures, to make sure that you can come up to be all square. Now, that is a civil issue with the IRS, right? It's on par with something like being late on a credit card, right? You'll get it's less severe than if you were late on your mortgage, but again, you are going to have some penalties. Unfortunately, these penalties aren't write-offs, so I know you're thinking that. Now, the second thing that could have happened is you could have just not filed at all, like our friend Dale. And again, this may constitute as just a civil issue, right? The IRS, because he didn't file a return, has an indefinite amount of time. The statute of limitations is unlimited for not filing a tax return, right? And again, you'd have that civil issue with filing for those penalties, late charges, failure to file a tax return on time as well. The third thing that you can do, which is again, clear and cut tax evasion, the illegal one, you can just omit, fail to report, out and out lie on your tax return to the IRS. And again, that's going to land you in the same situation. We're going to have civil penalties for not filing or excuse me, filing late or underreporting on your taxes and the penalties that come with that. You also, if it's very gross negligence and clear intent for you to omit these monies on your tax returns and this income, that's a criminal offense, right? The IRS can pursue that with penalties ranging up to 5 years in federal prison. No, thank you. So again, if you are someone that's just starting your business or been in business in a while and find yourself in one of these unique tax situations and would like to have a conversation with a trusted tax advisor, give our office a call.
This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute tax advice. Tax laws are subject to change and may vary based on individual circumstances. Please contact the Wayland Group, Inc., or consult your qualified tax professional for advice specific to your situation.